I am scribbled so people say, interviewed by Jessica Soho. Amin dyan sa may pisindero. Sorry about that. Condolence.
Wait, full screen ka, Kurt.
Ay, patingin na.
Busy. Parami.
Bigyan mo na kay Kurt.
Ang ID mo ipakita. Si Ate.
Siya na.
Diyan makalang.
Huwag ganito, paramihan tayo pa. Hala, Calvin, ayun is great.
Yes, Ate. Sharifa.
Face to face.
Bully to bully.
Face to face, ha?
Yeah. Paano i-stop?
Ito lang itong red.
Wag.
Flap.